Hi guys, it's Raksi Monique and welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about passive income, and to be honest, it's my favorite topic because making income while I'm not doing anything, like, who doesn't want to do that? I'm a recovering lazy person. So when I found out that I could make income while I'm basically chilling, I just leave it there and it's making the income for me. I was like, gotta learn the ways how. And that's what I'm here today to tell you guys about. How you can make some passive income, so even when you're sleeping. I found a few and I'm going to walk you through them. The first type is real estate. And it's actually the hardest type to get. If you're talking to anyone in Jamaica now about real estate, you know that it's pretty expensive, but it's actually one of the best ways to make passive income. But unfortunately, it's actually one of the hardest ways because it requires a lot of initial investment. Another form of passive income is income from investment. In my video about the different financial terms that you should actually know, and I'll link it right here in the card, I actually mentioned that dividends are paid out on stocks and interest is paid out on bonds, and there are other forms of investment, but the point is you're earning from putting down your money here. And that's actually one of the more attainable forms of passive income. So you can actually look into that. Another way to earn passive income is to create an online course or create a book for sale. So after you spend, time working on it, yes, this item can earn money beyond the point of you working on it. It earns money while you're no longer working on it. So anybody who buys your online course or buys your book is actually paying you and you're earning money. So if there's any skill that you are an expert on, you can put it in a form where people can learn from it or people can read about it, and there you go. Another form of passive income that you can earn is from building an app with a subscription, of course. So the point is that yes, you build the app, but the person have to pay to use this app. You can also have items that the person buy inside of the app, for example, to upgrade in the app, or I don't know, just to play with the app. So for example, some games inside the app, they also provide you with additional items that might be useful to help you succeed in the games. So that's an additional income. Another form of passive income is affiliate marketing, which is where you leave links on your website or below your YouTube video to another company where you get money based on commission. Or you can do drop shipping, which is kind of similar in that you have a website for products to another company and you sell it through yourself and make a profit off that. In those ways, you're making money off the sale of someone else's good. You don't have to do any shipping, you don't have to do any packaging or anything. All you do is provide the channel. And last but not least, create YouTube videos and earn income from ad revenue. Of course, at the end of the day, when your videos do become monetized, you can earn money from ads played on the video. Those are a few types of passive incomes that I know that you can earn. If you know any more, you can comment them down below. Also, if you are already earning passive income and you want to teach us something down below, you can comment that down below as well. You can click the video right here to learn more about types of income. You can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and come again next week, Thursday at 5 p.m. Bye.